Hello guys, this is Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. Today I am showing you how to clean RPMB of Realme 2 or Realme C1. Both are same model. So I have already backup the dump file. If you clean RPMB, first you have backup your dump file and security file. So identify your eMMC first and check the RPMB. So RPMB is showing here provision counter 3,85,000 for 38 lakh, sorry, 3 lakh 85,473, and it's not clean. And user area size is 32 GB, and its a model is RMX1805, and the main model name is 1811 Realme C1, and it's a latest update file. But it is encrypted MMC, so you can't be backup data. So I have already dumped in my PC. So go go on C drive, check your file directory. You will get their dump file. Also, you will get their security file. So my is Oppo. This is our 1805. It is our what? It is our dump file of user area full dump. It is a strong dump and it is our security file. I have already taken out. So you can take again. So go on user area part and identify your MMC first, and you will get on user area part showing pink color like Oppo Dyson Week, Oppo Dyson Week. This one modem SD first, modem SD second, Oppo server first, second. This is your FSG modem config. This is your security file. So you have backup first. If you have backup both of these, next go there directly on update MMC firmware. But first, you have already backup your term file like your boot 1, exd, boot 2, and user area, and go on user area part and read your security file. After directly click on update eMMC firmware. It's showing for the user, so you can take for the new one and click OK for the new one. If you want to clean RPMB, it's showing all device content will be erased. Are you want to know that means you have erased all data as well as your MMC file. So click yes. Now it is going to cleaning RPMB function, switching to boot mode 2 and erasing RPMB function, and all RPMB will clean on boot mode, and it's going to force boot mode. So first your MMC going on boot mode and clean your RPMB because RPMB totally content on boot file. So it will take time within a minute. Now switching boot mode done. Searching firmware block is also done. Now it is got to be ready and checking firmware update verify first. Now it's programming CID done. New firmware version is 0201. Now your RPMB is clean. It's showing all done. When you have RPM clean, identify first and check it will definitely clean or not. So now it's showing authentication key not yet programmed. That means your RPMB definitely clean. So it is a process guys. You can clean your RPMB of any Samsung eMMC on your file. Next, if you have clean RPMC, next you have taken out your dump, like write your dump. So our dump is here. Okay, this is our dump file. Now click on write. When your dump is created, next go on user area part and write your security. If you are taking out the full dump, there's not need any flash file. But if you are taking the small dump like 1 GB or 2 GB, so that case you have need to flash also after security file. So this is a procedure you can work on your shop. Thank you very much for the watching.